welcome to my kitchen. I have some funfetti recipes for you this month. To kick it off, I'm going to show you how I make funfetti cookies. Let's get stuck in. The ingredients I need: 230 grams of melted butter, 1 2/3 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 cups of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, bicarbonate of soda and salt, and then I have 3 tablespoons of sprinkles and 2 tablespoons of hundreds and thousands. To get started with the cookies, I'm mixing together the sugar and the melted butter. Now to add the eggs and the vanilla extract and mix well. I've popped that wet mix to the side. The flour, salt, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda and corn flour are going into this bowl and I'm going to whisk them together. The wet mix is going into the flour mix. To finish off the dough, I'm adding the sprinkles and the hundreds and thousands. I've covered the dough in cling film and I'm going to pop it in the fridge for half an hour. My oven is preheating at 180 degrees Celsius and I've lined a baking tray with some baking paper. Now to roll the cookie dough into balls using 2 tablespoons at a time, popping them on the tray about 5 centimeters apart. Now to put these in the oven for 12 minutes and then let them completely cool on the trays. And that is it, a nice easy funfetti cookie recipe. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week with another funfetti baking recipe. Bye!